I'm looking for hair cutting kits, and I see quite a few options right here. Barber. I don't think this one got good reviews. Wahl #1 brand, but these are side trimmers, beard trimmers. Oh, look at this. Here's what I'm looking for. Wahl complete hair cutting kit. Okay. We have this one and this one. I don't trust any brown. I have to decide between these two. My dad is looking for a fresh new cut, and I'm gonna provide it for him with the Wahl Complete Hair Cutting Kit. This is the 17-piece combination, the #1 brand hair clipper in the US. He says he wants a tapered, short hairstyle, and it looks like this is a complete hair cutting kit with all of these attachments. It even comes with scissors. Let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. I'm pretty excited because I got this for a great deal. And Wahl brand is definitely dependable. It comes with this nice little carry case. Keep everything tidy. Look at that. That's nice. All right. So here's the hair clipper. Okay. With a pretty long extension cord for full power. Because sometimes those rechargeable ones, wireless ones, tend to be a little bit weak. And you have all these attachments for taper, cut, scissors, and comb. Instructions manual. It's pretty much basic. Alright. Well, at least we know the scissors work. I wouldn't say this is the best quality scissors, but it does its job. Straight out of the packaging, we have everything labeled up together, spread out, and what you see is what you get. All of these guards ranging from a #1 all the way to a #8, and then you have the left and right taper cut, okay, scissors. Even comes with a cleaning brush and some oil to put in the clipper. Very basic comb and scissors. Okay, carry case. And here's what the clipper looks like. Alright, peel that. You can open this up with a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Okay, it's on off switch. Pretty basic. This is the on off button. It looks solidly built. So yeah, that's how you attach the attachments. That's like a #1. Typically I get like 1.5, but I think for my dad I'm gonna probably do like a 3. Okay, so can't wait to test that out. Alright, I have the hair clipper plugged in. See, this turns it on. So this is actually called taper guide. This is to adjust the closeness of the cut. So when you are cutting and giving a taper, this is the taper lever that gives you a long cut and a shorter cut. Wow, this has a strong motor built in. Can't wait to test that out. So Wahl is definitely a dependable brand. Features a classic clipper design with the Wahl quality and durability. Heavy duty, powerful, long lasting motor. It even features self-sharpening precision ground blades that stay sharp longer, and with the core design for a constant stream of power. It also features a taper lever. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in here. First time using it. And make sure keep it well oiled so it doesn't overheat. Alright, I'm ready to test out the clippers. First time helping my dad cut his hair. I'm gonna try to do a very good job. He wants it short, so I'm gonna taper it starting out with 3. I'm gonna taper it real good. Leave the top just a little bit off. He wants it back and the side short. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get started. All right, number 3 taper. Here we go. Wish me luck. Wow, look how sharp that is. Let's go ahead and use this. Oh wait, this guy can't be used with the attachment. Of course, with the sides, you can use the left and right taper, but I think I can bypass that. Alright, so my dad asked to have it cut a little bit shorter, so now I have a number 2. Let's go ahead and put it to work. He wants it shorter. Very sharp blade, self-sharpening blade. Alright, so now I'll remove the guide. I'm trying to do the outline. So I think that's what it's called, outline. Make sure that's straight. Alright guys, so I think I'm pretty much done. I'm just going to style the top. My dad wants it a little bit shorter, so there's the taper. Not bad for my first time cutting my dad's hair. What do you guys think? The clipper is amazing, sharp, easy to use. So what do you guys think about this fresh cut? Look at this. Look at the taper. Got the top cuts just the right length, so there's a little bit of styling. Look at this. Pretty nice, huh? Now it's for my mom's turn. So now I'm cutting my mom's hair with also number 3 taper, just for the bottom. Alright, so I just got done with my mom's cut. What do you guys think about this? Got that long taper. Alright, let's see how much hair was cut off. This is my mom and dad's hair together. 2 people's haircut. Great clipper. Yeah. Definitely did the job. So if you guys are looking for the perfect, easy to use Wahl hair cutting kit, complete with all accessories, definitely give the number 1 US brand Wahl a look. I think you guys will be very happy and save some money in the meantime by helping others cut your hair, family members.